Hello and welcome back to Alyena's Kitchen, where today we're going to be continuing our series of the chakras and moving up to our sacral chakra. This chakra is located right below the navel and is the color orange and is ruled by the element of water. This chakra houses all of your creativity as well as your sexuality and sensuality. So this is a really important one. And today we're going to be making a peach smoothie, which is going to help us balance our sacral chakra. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to add to my blender today is a 2/3 cup of ice, as well as I have 3 peaches. And peaches are really great for this chakra because they are known to be a center of sensuality. Also, if you can't find peaches right now, feel free to use some frozen ones. Luckily today, my store just got some fresh peaches. Next thing I'm going to add in is 1 cup of almond milk. Feel free to use any milk substitute of your choice. And then I also have a 1/2 teaspoon of freshly chopped mint leaves. I really love all the spices and herbs we're adding to this recipe. And then I also have 1 teaspoon of finely chopped ginger, which will add a nice bit of spiciness to this recipe, as well as just a dash of nutmeg. I just sprinkled a little bit in my bowl, but not much nutmeg, just a little bit, as well as 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom. And now the last thing I'm adding in is optional, but I like adding in some ground flax seeds because these are really good at making your hormone levels balance. And so I'm just gonna add in 1 tablespoon. Also, all the recipes I've used so far for this chakra series come from this book of Chakra Tonics. It's really interesting and it has a lot of information about the chakras, as well as different recipes you can make to help balance them, anywhere from teas, tonics, smoothies, juices, and this was actually a Christmas present this year and I'm very excited to use it. Let's get blending. And here we have our beautiful finished smoothie, and it has that perfect color of the sacral chakra. And now the best part, getting to taste it. It's so good. It's very light and airy. There's no heaviness to it at all. And that sweetness from the peaches as well as the spiciness of the ginger complement each other perfectly. And make sure to check out our next video, which is going to be moving up to our solar plexus. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.